Hey guys, it is day 34 of 50 Chocolate Makers in 50 Days, and today I've got Ranger chocolate from Portland, Oregon. Now, they specialize in Peruvian cacao, so they've got three different origins of Peruvian cacao that they typically serve. The San Martin, the Chulucanas, and the Tumbes, but they do have special guests from time to time. I know I have seen them have Haiti, or chocolate from Haiti, so you check out their special selections. These guys also make some fantastic caramelized nibs. And I think that I don't know if they throw a little vanilla or whatever is on there, but they're great caramelized nibs for on top of your granola, your oatmeal, or just for snacking on, like I tend to end up doing. Now, these are made in Portland, Oregon, and they've got their shop and their factory in a place called Cup and Bar, which is like a coffee shop. I think they serve wine there too, and the chocolate and things. So if you're in the area, schedule a tour. They do tours twice a month on Saturdays, but I think it's well worth it to go down and take a look at their operations and see what they're doing as far as they're churning chocolate and making chocolate, and they're the nicest people down there too. So there you have it, Ranger chocolate. I don't have a lot of Ranger chocolate left, but I need to pick up some more next time I'm down there. They do have these fantastic little size tasting bars, and then they also have some larger size bars. And last time I was down in the area, they had some baking size chocolate too that you could take home and use for your baking needs. So check out Ranger chocolate when you have a chance. Talk to you soon. See you tomorrow.